Easter weekend. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another video. I told you I was going to give you a few videos. We're here in the kitchen. I'm here with my beautiful girls and my grandbabies. One of them is sleeping, so when he get up I'm going to show you. But we're making some fish cakes. I have a couple of fish cakes in there, and we're doing a crab boil. We have some crabs in there. There's some potatoes and stuff. Amanda's over here making some, what is this, mother butter that we're gonna, so you can eat your crab with. And we're all here as a family cooking, guys. So I just wanted to show you. We have some shrimp over here that will be going into the crab boilers in a little bit. I am doing some fish cakes right here. Amanda is making her mommy's famous apple pie. So these are the apples right here. And I will be making a cheesecake over here. So as you see, we got started. So we're just cooking some food, guys. Just hanging out, making some stuff. Tomorrow is Easter, so we kind of getting some stuff ready for Easter. We have some sweet bread over there that I baked last night. Lots of food, lots of stuff going on here. And I'm just taking you guys along with me. We just put in the shrimp. This is our broil here. We have some potatoes. We have some sausage. We have the crab. We have some shrimp. There's some corn in there. Everything in there. Amanda just made her nice sauce that to dip the crab in. And I'm finishing up these fish cakes, guys. This is our crabs over here from our broil right here. So we are going to dig in. We have our butter over there. Cammy, you ready to eat? All right. Okay, so let's dig in. Morning, happy Easter to everyone. It is Easter morning. We just got back from church. I want to introduce you to the newest member of my family. This is my grandbaby. Turn around. Let me introduce you. He keeps grabbing my hair. Okay, let go. I'm sorry, guys. It's windy, so my hair is all over the place. This is Arden. I want to introduce you to Arden. This beautiful little baby boy. This beautiful little baby boy. This is the newest addition to our family. My grandson. And he was so good in church. He behaved. He just looked around curious at everyone. He was really a good boy in church. And I just wanted him to say hello to you. Don't he look a lot like Camden? Remember Camden, guys? At this stage, because I think I introduced Camden when he was this little. This is our finished look for now. We didn't take out all of the shrubs because then it's going to look too empty because we don't have a lot of flowers in here. So Ashley's putting out some mulch right now. So we put some hibiscus and some other stuff in here. You see how it looks? She's just putting on the mulch. I think it looks nice. But as I said, I will show you the finished product because we have to put some more stuff. So we'll get rid of a lot of this. We already took out a couple pieces of the shrub, but we don't want to take all of it out, as I said, because the garden will be empty if we do. But I swear, for those of you who don't know what a map of Barbados look like, this is like guys, look at this. Look, tell me if this don't look like, we didn't more have the curve at the bottom, but this is almost, I mean, it's not square at the side, but it's almost the shape of Barbados. And this is what we've done so far. We did a good job. What do you think?
I like it.
So we're sweating. We just had 2 glasses of coconut water to replenish what we just put out. But I think we did good. So now we're gonna do a good little watering. The sun is a little bit hot. They're starting to look withered already. So we see we have a hibiscus here. That's a pink color, and we have a red color over here, like the hibiscus color. Did we put in a croton? Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
We also have over here a croton. This is a tropical garden, guys. We have a croton, but there's another croton that have the leaves are longer and it have more of a pinkish, reddish, yellow, different colors. We're gonna get that as well. And that's it. We're gonna do some more stuff. We'll show you the other stuff later. All right. Hope you like it, guys. Send me any comments. If you think there's a particular tropical plant that we should put in here, just write us and tell us what, and we'll check it out. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.